Yay! So, woohoo! The workbook is up. I'm very, very excited because it has been so much work. So this is just group one, and you will have subsequent groups coming up every week so that you have a week to practice. You have places to post your homework, get feedback. I'm very excited, but I'm also very tired. So please head to the links that you will see in whichever platform this is being posted in, because I am filming this in both portrait and landscape. So there will be associated links. Head to those links and download this free script sampler. There are tons of free videos for you to work through with the sampler. And once you purchase the workbook, either on Shopify or via the PAScribe scriptorium, you will get access to downloading group one. I'm very excited to see how you're going to apply this really wonderful system that I've developed to help you with your understanding of Copperplate script.